Hey,
Hey.
man, is it crazy? It's been 8 years since we first fought because we've just always been rivals.
Yeah.
And also, your dad is just kind of gave up as a king and gotta much like throw his crown to you.
Yeah.
And what about Prince Pig?
Yeah, he's just a good friend, He wants to be a king like me.
And we always like just knock you down your stuff.
With a slingshot?
Yeah, but at first we supposed to be like some kind of like a swing or something, but we actually realized the slingshot is kind of better, because it can pretty much like fly us to a little better, better height.
Okay.
And you're still and your minions are still kind of dumb because they want our eggs.
Of course.
And I'm sure if you want to get our eggs, why not go to like a supermarket or something?
But those eggs aren't as delicious as your eggs.
I'm not sure about it.
So, why not, just give me the eggs from the supermarket and... What?
If you wanna get your own eggs, why not go to the supermarket as always? And thanks for that.
But, seriously, I was like just always trying to do lots of things to steal the eggs, like like trying to use like a stand thing that looks like me, trying to use balloons, trying to capture you, but your big bro kind of defeat us. We had to try to be cowboys, then we'll be miners, be like mine people, and then we just kind of ruin your birthday party, your party for your anniversaries, like over and over again. And now I'm just felt stupid. I will never win because of you.
Well, if you want to win, why not just like either like a tug of war or something, or arm wrestling?
I'll never be as awesome as my dad.
Of course, his dad is like kind of better than you.
What you said about me?
Just nothing. I just talking about your dad.
Oh.
Happy 8-year anniversary on the Angry Birds franchise. Hopefully 2 years in a row for the second movie, and that pretty much a big 10th anniversary surprise in 2019. Thank you, Rovio, to make a pretty addicting game for everybody, for those birds.